Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. You want to know how I made this delicious party fried rice? Please watch to the end. And if you are just seeing my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video, you will be notified. Right now, let's go straight to the video. Chopped carrots, chopped green beans. I have already chopped my onion, chopped green bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and garlic. I will use 2 to boil the chicken, while the 3 I will use it for the veggies. Peas, I'm going to be rinsing it with warm water. Here is the chicken I'm going to be using. You can also use turkey, sunflower oil. Here is my rice, 1 kilo. Corn, I'm going to rinse it. You know, it's good you rinse it before using it. Onions, garlic, 2 seasoning cubes, thyme, ginger, curry. I'm adding water to boil the chicken. Then cover it to cook. I'm just rinsing the peas with hot water. I'm really using hot water because it was blocked. Make sure your peas you are using is not blocked. This is the corn. I'm rinsing it. Because of the preservative, I have to wash it away. I'm flipping the other side of the chicken. It's ready. You can use turkey, you can use goat meat, you can use cow meat. Make sure you wash your rice. I did not parboil the rice. I'm adding salt. Cover it to cook. Let's mix the vegetables in one bowl. Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, thyme, curry, garlic, ginger, little white pepper, 2 seasoning cubes. Mix it very well. This is how we cook party fried rice. You mix all the vegetables in one bowl. The rice is ready. Onion. Onion, I did not use all the veggies. Some were still remaining. I kept the remaining one in the freezer. Stir it and cover it to cook for 2 minutes. Stir it again and cover it for another 2 minutes. I'm adding half seasoning cube and it's ready. You don't need to overcook your vegetables. It's ready. So I'm removing from it. Remember, we are preparing party fried rice. If you want to be frying it one after the other, I also have the video on my channel how to fry it little by little. I will leave the link below this video. As you are mixing the rice with the veggies, make sure you are doing it on a low heat. Look at that. This fried rice was so delicious. Have you liked my video? Have you subscribed? Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell for more videos. Please share this video and leave your comment below this video. Are you my returning subscriber that always watch my video? I say thank you. God bless you. Look at that. So delicious. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you have not liked this video, please like this video. God will bless you for doing that. Share this video. Leave your comment below. Subscribe to my channel. Watch other videos on my channel. And I would like to see you on my next video. My next video is going to be how to cook bitter leaf soup. Ciao.